It is fall around here and the winds have started to blow the leaves off the trees, which means they find their way into the gutters. So today we head over to one of our other properties and blow as many leaves out of the gutters before the rain comes later this afternoon. We are using our Stihl backpack blower with a new gutter leaf removal attachment we put together to make the job a little easier. I will leave a link in the description below with the video showing how we constructed the attachment. Please check out some of our other videos showcasing all the wonderful projects we've been accomplishing here at our big house in the Little Woods. Also, please hit the like button and feel free to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. Thanks for watching.